Hi dear all. Today I'm going to discuss about an important topic. It is called data import. So today's topic is data import. Now I will import data. Which data? This data. I'll open this data. If you click this data. This is the CSV format. So now I will import this data in Python, Google Colab. So import data, first of all, we have to click here. So pause the video and click here. Then click here. If we click here, then we'll go to our file, this file. We'll open this file. This file. Click here. Okay. So already this file has been uploaded in the Google Colab. Now we have to read data here. So how to? Just we have to copy the path. Again, we have to click three dot here. Click and copy path. This is the path. But remember, please, we need a package. It is called Pandas. But since we are all new, so we don't know how to give the command Pandas. We don't know. So just click here. Click here. This error, because this is not the authentic actual syntax error. But in the Google Colab, this is the beauty of Google Colab. Google Colab automatically give the correct syntax and the package. So we have to click here, explain error. If we click here, then automatically Google Colab give the correct syntax. And we already got it. That's accept. We have to accept. Cross it. Yeah. This is the Pandas. We don't need to install because in the Google already installed. So now run. Yeah. So this is now it's done. So if we print df, yeah, this is the data set. So please pause the video and input data set, because this is the main our starting point. When we'll get some data and we'll go to analyze data, then we have to start from here. First of all, we have to input data, then we have to analyze. So I would request you to please pause the video and open the data. Thank you very much.